Oop, a little late on the, just came through the clouds. So here we go. SpaceX. See if I can, oop. What am I doing? That's what I'm doing. Let's just go with that. That looks like a good sharp one. Let's not bounce too much. It's right here, old SpaceX Falcon 9. Went off about 9:28. I literally just pulled the last leg down on my tripod and I saw the little light and I hit record as it came out of the clouds. I wish I could get it closer, but I can't figure out those stupid lenses, and you know, nobody seems to like watching these anyways, except for me. I do it for me. And other reasons. I get paid to do it. Just this. They said, you know, if you get closer, that'd be great. If not, that's fine. As long as you get something. A certain news channel put it on their station. So that sucker is oh, there it is. Man, that thing goes fast. Come on, let's... Is that it? Yeah. Can I get closer? No. See, it's going west now instead of southwest, so it's going away from me so fast it's hard to pick it up for too long. I mean, here, it goes right under the star. That's good. Don't know what planet that is, but it's a planet. Helps me align the rocket. I'm going to keep it this until I can't see it. I can see it, you know, the exhaust fanning out, but I can't believe I can still pick it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to do the landing or just track this as long as I can. I mean, it's not going to do anything except for go away. So if I had my other dumbass friend Ben, but he's too busy, I don't know what he's doing. He does nothing, so I don't know. You could say he was inventing the next something, but he's inventing the cure for stupid? No, he's invented stupid. He's just perfecting it. Alright, well, there it is. It's cruising. I'm gonna just keep letting it cruise. But I just lose it. Oh, there it is. It's just going away, slowly going away. that star go? That thing really is hauling. It's way up there and it's way, oh, there's the landing. I don't know if I can get it. That's the re-entry burn. Oh, at least I got that. That's something. So that means it's, see, that's why it's going straight west. That's why the barge is here instead of way over here where it used to be. Where it used to come down behind those mountains, and that's when it was landing in San Pedro. And then it used to come down over there when it was landing at the border. But they've done all that. They've done all that, all this stretch, and now they're doing northern, basically northern. Wow, that was like quick and dirty, but I got it done. And the other first, second stage is long gone. I can't see nothing. I'll just look for a minute. Yeah, because when I was driving over here, the time just cut, and it went to the next launch, and I'm like, what? It usually doesn't do that on Space Launch or Space Launch. Yeah, Space Launch and Vandenberg Space Force Base. And there's a little monkey, so I just call it Space Monkey. But there you go. That's it, folks. Want to watch a plane land? So close I can get to that sucker. See, that's pretty far, and I get it really good. So that's a little teeny, like, I think it's a little teeny plane. I'm not sure, I can't tell. You can see the whole, they call it the ladder. You know, because there's one, and then there's another, and then there's another. So there's the one landing, and there's 1, 2, 3 behind it. One's up there circling pretty high. So we'll find out if this is a Cessna or a jet in a minute if it turns on the reverse thrust. To slow it down, which should be right now. It was a jet. This is what my dad does. He goes down there, he parks with a Diet Coke or Pepsi or something, or probably a In-N-Out, or who knows what he gets. But that's it. See, so that's a big, that's like, I don't know, a 707, I don't know. I don't know what they fly out of there anymore. But they're still pretty big. They're passenger jets, you know. Southwest. Oh, Southwest is the biggest one. In fact, you can see a Southwest tail right there. I was going to point to it, but that'd be stupid because you can't see. But that's what just landed, a Southwest, because you can see the colors on the tail. So that's a big, see, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 miles away. Wow. And the rocket is about, well, when we see it there, when it's a dot, it's 156.7 miles away. And then now it just goes up and away from us. Where it used to kind of, you know, hug the coast all the way down. But, you know, be out far enough in case something went wrong, it would just hit the water. That's it. This is not beautiful downtown Burbank anymore. This is very crowded, big Armenia. It's not even little Armenia, it's big Armenia. I was walking in a house that they were building, 3 stories, 2 houses in the back, and they have stairs going straight up the side of the house, like straight, 3 stories up to a patio on the top. And there's no railing, of course, but like an idiot with my bad leg, I'm like, I am gonna go out there and see what this looks like. I almost fell, but I figured if I fall, I'll try to fall down the stairs. That's Disney. And the next big building would be, well, that's also Disney. That's a bunch of buildings. Trying to find, oh, that's St. Joseph's Hospital. That was where I was born. Not where the bright light is, but over where there's another 2 dimmer yellowish lights. That was the first building. And then I had a little brother that was born there. He didn't make it, but that was in '68, and my mom saw Elvis from her. They wheeled her to the window, and she just sat there until she could see his limo pull in, and she saw him, and she's waving and waving and waving, and he looked, someone said, you know, turned around, and because they had someone run over there and say, there's somebody waiting to see you, and she's just lost a baby. And he was going to come over, but he looked over and he waved. He saw my mom waving through the window. So that's the Elvis story.